Hello fellow gardeners, this is Melissa with My Garden Retreat. Okay everyone, it is April 26th, 2026. Finally all the plants are in the ground. This is again the squash and cucumber patch. So there's zucchini here, and there's cucumbers here, and then there's spaghetti squash over here. That's a little baby spaghetti squash starting here. And then this is a baby cucumber. And then here we have a baby zucchini plant growing. Got all the tomatoes in the ground as well. Everywhere you see a little dark spot is some of the nice dirt that we put in to, start them off very, very well. These guys are looking super happy. They're still babies. I guess we're off to a late start, but you know what? Better late than never. That's the herb box. Everything's still doing good. I got some more thyme there. There was thyme over here, but it's starting to dry up a bit. So I got more, and everything's still looking pretty lush and green so far. The pumpkin needs water right now. The leaves are a little bit limp. It's starting to get pretty warm out here. It's already 12:30 in the afternoon. But that is a tiny little baby pumpkin forming behind this flower here. The okras are all in the ground. There's about a dozen of them here. And I did finally trim the green onions and, chop them up and mix them in with dinner. But they're already sprouted up higher again. That's not a complaint. I'm just noting how fast they grow. They're a great, constant, steady source of green onion. The jalapenos and poblanos look great in their little buckets. And as for the bell peppers, they're all planted up as well, but two of them got pulled up by something. I'm not sure what did it. So I ended up having to go to the store and get two from the store. So I got the little tag there to mark that it's not the one I started from seed. But the ones I started from seed are looking pretty as well. And they're thriving and taking off now. Also got the Brussels sprouts in. There are 6 of them. Again, I've never grown Brussels sprouts before, so this is going to be new. This is pre-water, so I have yet to water today. So if you're noticing that the ground looks a little dry, that will be remedied shortly. And my white onions are still looking very good. Green stalks growing up look very, very healthy, and so do the bulbs. So basically at this point, it's all just about watering them and watching them grow bigger and bigger. Here's an update on the volunteers that grew in the compost pile. This definitely looks like some kind of squash. This one right here is definitely a tomato. And all these little bitty ones here are all tomatoes. Those are way too close together. I don't know how that's gonna work. This one's another tomato. I'll just stand back and let nature take its course. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Click the little bell so you'll be notified when we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!